Guide to Success in the HVAC-R Industry. HVAC-R, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration industry. For over 15 years, HVAC refrigeration industry is continuously growing, with increasing demand for more experts and technicians. Newbies starting out in HVAC should be open, accept constructive criticism, and learn from their mistakes. A great way to start in the industry is to work on smaller equipments like resident or light commercial HVAC. If you face any issues, notify the management ASAP. Keep a proper record of your working hours in order to check you're getting paid accordingly. In HVAC, one should work for 2 to 3 years, if not more. HVAC is a rewarding career that you must learn in order to like and enjoy, as it's a challenging job. You must be strong enough both physically and emotionally in order to work efficiently for your company and always stay cool, calm, and focused on your goals. In HVAC, you'll experience the liberty to try new things without having any fear of failure. As Michael Jordan once said, "I can accept failure, everyone fails at something, but I can't accept not trying." HVAC technicians are high in demand with different earning potentials, opportunities, and stable job security. HVAC industry also offers lots of opportunities for candidates having a criminal background. Be upfront and honest about your prior mistakes and put your emphasis on future goals for ultimate success. Side jobs are the best way to earn extra money, therefore HVAC is a perfect solution for you. Being a great skill, you must learn it in order to help others. There's brutal competition in HVAC, so you must have various great plans to stand out. HVAC is seasonal, but more generalized, and it's in high demand and have a great career pathway. If you'd like to know more information about this topic, go to hvacfreelancer.com, or you can click the link below in the description. Feel free to join to get a free copy of the ebook HVAC Freelancer, Guide to Success in the HVAC-R Industry.